Welcome back to the vlog. Jesse decided halfway through the season he was going for a bike change-up.
Hating that nigga cause I got it out the mud. Hating in the family, nigga be on blood. Screaming for a 12 to the DA and the judge. Never been a dog, never been a scrub. 4-5 Glock 9, all you want to judge. Better than who must be high on them drugs. Cooling in the mansion with the bubbles in the tub. Heard you.
The absolute beauty. Let's go see what Ivan has to say about it. There he is. So what happened? You didn't want to have a 2023 bike in 2023?
Yeah, I was getting a bit old.
Yeah, you needed that 2024, huh? Made it to the track, fellas. Getting everything tuned up before you go out there. All right, Jesse's going out there for the first ride. See how that new bike is, baby.
I'm about to do what I want to do. Want to play with your band. Everybody in pain. They don't understand.
She getting realer and realer. Came up on a couple of million. I invested in some buildings. Look at my money and triple. She getting realer and realer. I lost my bro to the system. I lost my bro to a pistol. They tried to take me with them. I can't go for that. No, I stay with killers every day. Keep it 40 is hungry. I take a block to a buffet. Yeah, I spend a lot. Balenciaga jacket, Dior shade. I got a lean stain on it. I'ma give it to my man.
First ride out there done. What did you think?
Dude, that thing rips.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Holy, the 2024, they found something new.
I overshot the catapult like crazy.
Did you?
Yeah. Hitting this like same place in the revs in third gear as I did on my Honda, and I was like,
I think we're onto something here then. What do you think?
I'd say so.
Second ride out. Anything to say to the fans, to your fans specifically?
Give me a hip hip.
Hip hip, baby. Wait for my hip
I
hip.
will wait for your hip hip.
Thank you, appreciate that.
No problem.
Friggin' race, we got Buddy Vanduno here.
Fucking right, boy.
OnePugLife.com. He's gonna do a big friggin' jump. Check this out. Holy shit. This is gonna be awesome. Hip hip!
And that's a day on the new bike. What'd you think? All in all.
Not so bad. Almost made it the whole time without falling, but
Had to go down at the end, of course. I didn't catch it, but. And I mean, boys, check out this new gear sample that came in as well. I mean, does it get any better than that? I think this is my favorite one so far. What do you think?
it's my favorite.
Yeah. All right. See you guys in the next video.
Yes, nigga, don't try me. In a lamb, I be damn if a nigga try me. Get in hand with the fam and a nigga gotta eat. Shot a 9, I'm a bust, I'm a trick for a treat. Before I bought the lamb, I was riding in the Jeep. 500 horses with a stick on the seat.
Guys, Ivan just got by a scarecrow.
I got fooled.
He thought it was a real person.